Hi everyone, my name is Inamul Himan. I'm a software engineer. Today I'm your section leader, and we are going to discuss about variables with basket analogy. Assume that you have a basket. It's just like a variable in programming. Just like a basket holds different types of fruits, vegetables, a variable can hold different types of data in it, right? So different data types of variables in programming are like integer, float, string, character. We will talk about this later on as well. Let's jump towards the problem. We are going to write a Python program that will calculate our weight on Mars. So we know that we weigh less on Mars, which is 37.8% less compared to the Earth weight. Let's jump towards the screen VS Code editor and see how we can write the Python program to calculate our weight on Mars. Here, I'm going to define first of all constant, then we will ask our user to enter their weight on Earth. Then we will perform some calculations and print the result to the console. So I have defined here a mass multiple constant and assigned the predefined value, which is 0.378. This value is of data type float. Float means those numeric values with fraction or decimal point, right? So here in the main function, I'm going to ask the user to enter their weight on Earth using the input function. So I'm going to create the Earth weight str variable, and I'm going to call input function and ask the user to enter your weight on Earth. So this input function will give us data of type string. String means a sequence of letters, symbols, or numbers. So it or combination of these. So just like this is a string, this is a string, this is a string, this is a string. So we will get the number from user, but it will be of data type string that will be assigned to this variable by this assignment operator, right? So we can process this string type data. We can perform computation on string type data. So we need to typecast this data to other data type. Typecasting means converting a data from one data type to another data type. Let's do how we can do that in Python. So I'm going to create a variable called earth weight, and I'm going to call the float function, and I'm going to use the earth weight str. So here earth weight str is a string type data that will be typecasted into the data float type data by this float function. So now I'm going to perform calculation. I'm going to create a variable called Mars weight, and I'm going to use earth weight as earth weight, and I'm going to use the Mars multiple constant we have. So after computation, the result will get assigned to this mass weight variable, which will be of data type float. So now I am going to print our result to the console. The weight on Mars is this is not plus operator. This is a concatenation operator. It concatenates two strings. So we want this to print on a console. We can do that if without without converting this into the string. So we will perform here again typecasting str Mars weight. So this float type data will get into the string type data. Then this plus will this concatenation operator will concatenate the both of these two strings, right? So let's run our program. Python app. So let's enter a weight 120 pounds. So we are good to go, right? We have learned about variables. A variable is like a basket. Just like we have three, you can consider like we have three different baskets, and we had discussed about a variable can have a basket can hold different types of fruits, vegetables. Similarly, in one basket we have fruits like of type string. In another basket we have fruits like of float of type float data. In another basket, we have fruits of type float data, right? So we have also learned about how we typecast, how we perform typecasting. Typecasting means converting our data from one type to another type, right? So we have also learned how we assign a value to variable, and how we use a variable to perform some calculation, or to typecast, to do anything. So that's it for now. See you soon, guys. Bye bye.